We will need to cross this ravine.
Oh, that's steep and wide. Deep and wide! Deep and wide!
A cheetah could just leap across, but the nearest land bridge may take days to reach.
We need to get back to the Pridelands as fast as we can. We just need to get across this ravine?
Yes, the path to the Pridelands continues on the other side, but
That's all I needed to hear. Oh, me first! Me first! Okay, Bunga, you first.
First?
First for what?
You'll see.
That's what I'm talking about! So, who's next?
Next? Whoa, no way I'm going across the ravine like that.
Don't worry, Janja. Kion's learned lots of new ways to use the roar.
Indeed, it's perfectly safe.
Easy for you to say. You can fly.
Don't tell me you're scared.
What, me? Scared? No way.
Good. Go ahead, Kion.
Wait, it's just that I don't want to fly!
See, that wasn't so bad, was it?
It was fun.
Yeah, better than all the other times Kion's roared at me.
Fuli? Assad?
we can cross the ravine like cheetahs. Yes, Fuli?
Yes.
Maybe naman!
Crazy!
So, Kion, how will you get across?
Like this. Unbelievable! Okay, Assad, we're across. Now which way do we go?
This way.